This elderly patient finally got the care she deserves. Lexington Podiatry jumped in to help this elderly woman with huge toenails, which were digging into her and causing a great deal of pain.
We have a young lady here who's not been able to have her nails trimmed because a local podiatrist retired. So it's been, how many months would you say? I mean, he's been retired for maybe 6 months? Longer? At least 10 months. Okay. So no worries, this is something that we do all day here. She has found this through a friend. So we're just going to take a peek. We're going to let you know how the experience goes, and you don't need to be nervous about coming in because this is something we see all day long. So if you're at home and your nails look like this, please give us a call. We can take care of it. I already told her she's going to lose about 5 pounds of toenails. It's going to feel really good once we're done. She'll feel like dancing out of here. So we'll go ahead and get started. So if you, did you try trimming these at all? Not this time. You can kind of see down here at the bottom, and this is concerned how one of the nails is actually curling down exactly into the skin, and you can even see how it's starting to pierce the skin. I mean, that becomes really painful. Yeah, absolutely. You can talk as much as you want. Yeah, we just talk through it, so it's just like us being in here. So yeah, what I typically do for a nail like this, if you are a caregiver or a child at home, try to get underneath the edge here if you're comfortable. And she already said she's ticklish, so I'm gonna do a little clip, and we do little by little. Okay, because if there's any skin that's grown underneath there, we don't want to nip any of that. So we can already see how much already came off in just one little gentle. I'm gonna tell her just a little bit. Okay. Oops. All right, so let's get comfortable here.
They relaxed her and gently removed the overgrown nails. And now her feet look and feel so much better. The process takes about 30 minutes, but in some cases can be longer. They treat patients of all ages, but often the longest nails belong to their older patients. Your nails grow slower as you get older. However, slower growth leads to thicker, more brittle nails, which, like these ones, can be more difficult to cut. The process takes about 30 minutes, but in some cases can be longer. They treat patients of all ages, but often the longest nails belong to their older patients. Your nails grow slower as you get older. However, slower growth leads to thicker, more brittle nails, which, like these ones, can be more difficult to cut.
Well, I think that's what we're gonna get for today. Don't worry, we are not done. Just the hard part is over, okay?
I never could stand that. I don't know if I can do it today or not.
If you can't, then we won't.
Really? I didn't like it.
Okay, everybody, well, that's the end of this portion of the nail trim. They'll be right back and we'll do the Dremel. So.
Okay, and we are back. I'm just going to take this Dremel here and we're going to smooth down all these nails so there's no rigid part to where it won't catch on the socks or anything like that. We do use this mask, of course, because it is dusty.
I appreciate your thoughtfulness and caring and
Well, you're
patience.
very welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, my dear.
The work that Lexington Podiatry do is amazing, and they're so lovely and gentle to all of their customers. Did you know that the growth rate for fingernails and toenails slows considerably with age? The average adult's fingernails grow about 3 millimeters per month, but this growth rate tends to slow down with age, meaning that if something happens to an elderly person's nail, such as a tear or rip, it can take a long time to repair itself. In this case, it should mean that her nails never get that long again, especially now she has Lexington Podiatry looking after her.